In the far corner of our solar system, beyond the freezing winds and glittering stars, there lies a deep blue world, Neptune. Wow! Robo, look! That's the last planet before the edge of the solar system. It's so blue! Beep boop! That's Neptune, Lilo, the windiest planet we'll ever visit. Are you ready for our final planetary adventure? I was born ready, Robo. Let's go explore the big blue mystery. Full speed ahead. Our journey is taking us to the eighth and most distant planet from the Sun. It's so far away that it took NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft 12 years to get there. Imagine that, Lilo. 12 years. 12 years? That's almost twice as old as I am. It must be really far away. It is. Neptune is about 4.5 billion kilometers from the Sun. Because it's so far, it takes a very long time to orbit the Sun. 1 year on Neptune is equal to almost 165 Earth years. 165 years? Wow! So if I lived on Neptune, I wouldn't even have had my first birthday yet. That's right. Now, get ready. We are entering Neptune's orbit. It looks so beautiful and mysterious, like a giant ocean in space. I could just dive right in. That's a great observation, Lilo, but it's not an ocean of water. Neptune is made mostly of gas and ice. Scientists call it an ice giant. Ice giant? So it's super cold, colder than a freezer full of ice cream. Much colder. Freezing. Temperatures on Neptune can drop to -214 degrees Celsius. That's so cold it makes our coldest winter on Earth feel like a warm summer day. My spacesuit better be ready for this. I hope it has extra fluffy insulation. Do you think we'll see any space penguins, Robo? Beep boop. Unlikely, Lilo, but Neptune has its own amazing features. It's not just a big, cold ball of gas. The blue color you see comes from a gas called methane in its atmosphere, which absorbs red light and reflects blue light back into space. So it's like Neptune is wearing a big blue coat made of methane gas. That's so cool! Hold on, Lilo. We're about to experience one of Neptune's most famous features. Do you feel that little shake? Yeah, it feels like we're driving on a bumpy road. What's happening? Neptune has the fastest winds in the solar system. They can blow at more than 2,000 kilometers per hour. Whoa! 2,000 kilometers per hour? That's faster than a rocket roller coaster. It's even faster than the speed of sound on Earth. Exactly. These super fast winds create enormous, powerful storms. See that dark patch swirling over there? That big dark circle? It looks like a giant blueberry stain on the planet. That's a good way to describe it. Scientists called a similar storm the Great Dark Spot. It was a huge, spinning storm system, bigger than our entire planet Earth. It was discovered by the Voyager 2 spacecraft but had disappeared by the time the Hubble Space Telescope looked at Neptune a few years later. New spots have appeared since then, so the storms come and go, like playing hide and seek. Whoa! Neptune is like a dancing storm planet. It's got moves. Beep boop. You could say that the planet's atmosphere is very active and constantly changing. These storms are like massive hurricanes, but much more powerful than anything we have on Earth. It's a world of constant motion and energy. Can we land, Robo? I want to try surfing on one of those wind waves. Not really, Lilo. That's one of the most interesting things about gas and ice giants. Neptune doesn't have a solid surface like Earth or Mars. If we tried to land our ship, we'd just sink deeper and deeper into the thick clouds and compressed gases. So it's like a big, cold, blue balloon. If you poke it, you just go inside instead of landing on it. Beep beep. Exactly. The pressure inside Neptune becomes so great that it would crush our spaceship long before we reached any kind of core. Its center is thought to be a small, rocky core about the size of Earth, but we can't get anywhere near it. Okay, maybe no windsurfing today then, but we can still fly around it. Let's check out what else is around here. Are there any moons? Excellent question, Captain Lilo. Look, Neptune has 14 known moons. Each one is a unique little world. And that large one right there is the biggest of them all. Its name is Triton. Triton. That sounds like the name of a sea god, like from the old stories. You're right. Many of Neptune's moons are named after sea gods and nymphs from Greek mythology, because Neptune was the Roman god of the sea. Triton is especially interesting. It's one of the coldest objects ever measured in our solar system. Even colder than Neptune? How is that possible? Yes. Its surface temperature is around -235 degrees Celsius. Triton also has a retrograde orbit, which means it orbits Neptune in the opposite direction of the planet's rotation. Most moons don't do that. This suggests that Triton might have been a dwarf planet, like Pluto, that was captured by Neptune's gravity a long, long time ago. So Triton is a visitor who decided to stay, a cosmic roommate. That's a fun way to put it. And look closely, Lilo. Can you see those faint, dark lines circling the planet? Yeah, they're so thin and hard to see. Are those rings? They don't look bright and shiny like Saturn's rings. Correct. Neptune's rings are made of ice particles and dark rock, possibly coated with a substance made from carbon. That's why they are so dark and difficult to spot. They are much fainter and younger than Saturn's rings. Scientists named them after astronomers who made important discoveries about Neptune. Wow! So Neptune has storms, moons, and sneaky rings. It's full of surprises. Let's just pause for a moment and take it all in. It's so peaceful, even with all the storms and crazy winds. From out here, it just looks like a glowing blue marble. So calm. That's Neptune's mystery. From far away, it looks calm and serene. But up close, it's full of incredible power and energy. It reminds us that things aren't always what they seem on the surface. Like people sometimes, some people seem really quiet and calm on the outside, but they have strong feelings and big ideas on the inside. Wise words, Captain Lilo. Very wise indeed. Beep boop. Goodbye, Neptune. You're the most magical blue world I've ever seen. Thanks for showing me your storms and your secret rings. Next stop, home. Let's take all these memories back to Earth. Our journey through the planets is complete. And we can tell everyone that Neptune isn't just a cold, faraway planet. It's a planet of wind, ice, and wonder. What an amazing trip this has been. Robo, I learned so much. Me too, Lilo. Exploring the universe with you is the best mission. Our databanks are full of new discoveries, and our hearts are full of new adventures. Let's head home. And so, Lilo and Robo finish their journey through the planets of our solar system. But their curiosity will never end because the universe is full of stories waiting to be explored. Thanks for joining us on this amazing planetary tour. What was your favorite planet? And don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more cosmic adventures with Lilo and Robo. Until next time, keep looking up.